Luggage mounting. If you are planning for a long drive and you need to mount your luggage on the motorcycle, these simple steps will show you how it is done. You will need 2 bungee ropes, a travel bag. First, park the vehicle on the center stand on a firm and flat surface. Set tire pressure of the front wheel to suit luggage weight. Front alloy 32 psi. Front spokes 29 psi. Set tire pressure of the rear wheel. Rear alloy 36 psi. Rear spokes 33 psi. Place your travel bag on the motorcycle. Hook the end of the bungee to the footrest frame. Pull the bungee rope around the luggage as shown and loop it around the grab rail. Hook the end of the bungee to the footrest on the right-hand side. Now, hook the bungee rope on the right-hand footrest frame. Pull the bungee rope and tighten the luggage and hook the end to the left-hand footrest frame. Note: for motorcycles with a sari guard assembled, the hook of the bungee rope needs to be attached to the main frame pillion footrest tube. Please note, overloading can adversely affect the motorcycle's handling. Do not exceed the permissible weight. Follow the steps for hooking and bungee rope to avoid scratches and damage to the motorcycle. Always use Royal Enfield GMA accessories for durability. Now you are ready. Keep riding.